We've got a time limit, by the way.
On timer?
Yeah, we've got a
Time
timer.
left?
Huh?
Time left? Oh wait, what?
Yeah, we
What am I supposed to do?
ASAP. Hang on. Let me do this one. I know how to escape. I know how to do it.
Okay.
Ouch. Try to kill him if you can, because I'm really low. I'm dead. Great.
Yep.
We need that baton, like badly.
Okay, guys. In case you're wondering, welcome to 2. Welcome to number 2. The second one. Yeah. We are on a train. We have a time limit, and we gotta escape. We gotta kill a guard. We gotta get his baton, and we have to kill other guards.
I got a hammer. Hey! I've got another weapon you can have.
Ooh, what is it? What is it?
How do I drop? Aha. Jess, I've got an iron bar for you.
Oh, thanks.
Come on, we need to escape. We've got a time limit.
Yeah, we're on a timer. We gotta go.
We're on a timer. Come on.
I just saw Colada
Right,
hit some guy with a hammer, and turned out that guy was a myth.
Oh.
Right, be careful. We can't just go guns and blazing.
Brandon just did. But,
I'm low. I'm gonna rest. Never mind, I guess.
Hang on.
I'm being chased.
Aha! I've got a dead rat. I'm gonna hit him with Ratatouille.
Is this Colada? Colada, is that you? Kill him, please.
I can't. God, they do so much damage. I've got barely no health.
Yeah.
This ain't easy.
bye, Brandon.
Chill out.
Well, at least I'm.
I just got here. Our time is pretty low.
Well, I've got everything, but I don't know how to do. I don't know what to do at the end.
Our time is extremely low.
What we have to do is we have to do it again.
Press end carriage. There's a possibility you might just slip past the guards and unhook it. The west, isn't that left?
Yep, there goes time.
Ooh.
Aww. Sorry, that person just said, "Look at that wiggle."
Restart it because
Wait, but how are we supposed to get 3 crowbars?
there's only 2. I know what I have to do though.
Okay, the thingy's open.
Aww.
Ouch.
Some Chris.
I've been dead.
I'm really hungry.
Oh, thanks, dude.
You're in my bed.
The person just dropped me down standing.
We don't get a third. We only need 2.
Oh, how come?
Oh.
Wait, but we had 2.
I think maybe the other guy has it.
And he's down.
Like, get his clothes then.
Officer Booty Fart is down. You need to go down first?
Yeah.
He sees me. I'm running, kill him. Yeah. I got stuck on the wall. Sweet. Jess is just chilling in bed. Hello, I'm perfectly normal.
I'm killer. We need to stick together. Yep, how would it? I think if it goes down to 70, you should be fine. They will be a bit suspicious of you though.
Back. I got some food. How is it, guys?
Oh, we're getting
How do you
medkit. No, we're getting looking for crowbars. There's nothing in there.
Oh yeah.
Dude, there's 2 crowbars in here. In that one, search it. The diamond minecart is down. You think people hold them?
Huh?
You think people are holding them?
Holding key.
The stuff?
No, yeah, I think it's in the crates.
What the hell?
Oh, that's so close.
Oh, God's sake, man.
Dang it. I need a drink. Low
There
on
goes the
energy.
crowbars.
Oh, you had them on you?
Yeah, but they're back in the contraband area. Unless the contraband's full.
I'm in a locker. Yeah, I'll check out a run. Low health, low health, low health. Heal, heal. Okay, I'm in here.
Got the crowbars back.
I need adrenaline.
No, I don't have any.
I cannot attack, I'm too low. He's low though, Mip's low.
Why you keep freaking him to me?
Dude, I don't have anything. I need adrenaline. I need drink.
I don't have any.
Can I drink water? Nope.
You can't drink. What? Why you want to drink toilet water?
Oh no. Adrenaline.
Huh?
Wait. Wait, Jess, did I just knock you out? I think I just knocked out Jess.
No. Me and Booty Fart knocked each other out at the same time.
Are you sure? I don't know.
Oh.
I hope. Because I think I just swung at someone and then realized they had blue on them. Oh, adrenaline.
Oh, I didn't get Booty Fart's clothes. God damn it, Brandon.
Hold on, hold on. Jesus,
Well,
Mip is
I saw-
angry.
Oh, I still need that two-player. I still need another player of the area.
Hang on.
Jesus, okay, that's not good.
Brandon, you're like attracting them all.
Lay low.
I can't lay low, I'm too high.
Then stop taking drugs.
Yeah, Brandon, come on, we talked about this.
Honestly, man. It needs to stop.
It does. Ah! Oh, for God's sake, I was coming to help you.
I give up with you.
I at least I've kept it quiet for a long run, yeah?
No.
Yeah.
Jesus, okay.
Right. I'm by the two-player area.
Okay, I'm coming.
Help him.
I'm out of heals, hold on. Let me get some heals. If any. Okay, let's see medkits. Yo,
I'm AFKing here until someone comes.
Mhm.
I'm being followed. Let me get in the locker.
You get in a locker until your detection vision is at 70, then come out.
Okay. I'm at 90.
Great.
Well, this is great. We might have to do another attempt.
No, I think we've got it. Was there a thingy in the multiplayer thing? I'm at 55 by the way.
Colada,
What?
I've got a question.
Oh, what is it?
Can you send me all the times I've said your like actual name?
No.
When you when you edit it, just tell me how many times I said it. Don't send me all the.
What? Is it in there?
I
It's in there.
hope. Oh, it's in here.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
I'm
Oh,
trapped.
yeah. Okay. It's fine. Just throw the crowbar over. NBA
Hold on,
style.
wait, I gotta. Do we have all the? Do you have the crowbars?
Yep.
Okay, Jess, make sure you're in the west cabin.
Oh,
Do you have a disguise?
Jess, you might as well just die. You might as well just die at this point.
I know. I've been no help this time, but the whole time I've just been trying to knock out guards. But I keep being the one that's getting knocked out, so it's not very good.
Hello there. Howdy.
Howdy.
I'm in the west thingy already.
Here, come here.
Morning.
Just come here.
What's that? Oh,
Right.
thanks.
Did we kill this guy?
Oh god. Well, there goes Jess.
What just happened? Oh, what?
I
Did
got
you kill
trapped,
Jess?
Yeah, I didn't know what to do.
Really?
I don't know what to do.
Really, Colada?
I don't know what to do.
Bloody hell! Who's untrust me? That's a bit weird, isn't it?
Did you even pick up the outfit?
Yeah!
Did you use it?
Yeah!
Guys, we need one more crowbar. One more crowbar.
Okay, just go to the left one. Do we kill this guy?
No, we don't. He comes
Okay,
with
just
us.
come here, just come here, just come here. Oh, go to the left one, go to the left thingy. Go into the room. We
There
did
we
it!
go. We escaped.
Finally! Honestly, Colada! Ah,
I was confused, I was like,
Yeah.
Jess just got
Where's
knocked out, I'm like, what
Are we
happened?
Mexican?
We're gonna ignore the guard that was riding with us.
Yeah. You can stay in there.
yeah.
There we go.
We did it. After 3 attempts. Third attempt, we actually got it. F.
We got that.
F for fantastic.
Oh yeah. Because we are the best.